Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have this beautiful look for you, and it's the new year, so I'm back with the new me. No, just kidding. We're back with a new look though, and it's very gorgeous, and it has beautiful blue, turquoise, dark blue colors, and pink, and also orange, and every time I blink I feel so damn sexy. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I did my foundation, concealer, and eyebrows already, and now for the eyes I'm going to use a turquoise color on my eyelid, and I'm going to use this brush. Just place that all over your lid. Okay, now I'm going to use a dark blue color, and I'm going to place that on the left and right side of my eyelid. And now blending these two colors out, the dark blue with the turquoise. Now going back with the turquoise color, just to make it more pop in the center. You can just tap in the color and then blending it out a little again. Okay, now I want a very sharp line, so I'm going to use the end of my brush and using this makeup remover wipe, place it over, and then just use it to wipe off the places you don't want. Now we're going to use a black color, and you're going to place that on the outer corner so you can still see the dark blue. And don't worry if the colors fade away, you can still apply it later. And I'm going on top of the blues we used and dragging it all the way to your inner corner, but don't mess up the line of the blue, and if you do, then you can just reapply later. And it doesn't matter how high you go with the black. I mean, you can go a little bit over it, but of course not too much, like until your brows. But later we're going to use that same technique, you know, with the makeup wipe. So it's okay if you make a mistake. And you also place it on the eyelid on the inner corner. And don't worry that the black went all the way until here, because we're going to remove that with the makeup wipe. And drag the black all the way to underneath your eye. Okay, I look really crazy right now. So you're going to take your blending brush again with the dark blue color on it, and you're going to blend the black and blue color. And then taking the brush which you use the turquoise color for, and you're just putting it a little bit on because the turquoise faded away a little bit. Just tapping it on lightly, and then taking your blending brush again. Okay, now you're going to use the same technique again with the makeup wipe. And I'm going to make a line. And if you feel you wiped off too much, you can just use the black color again and then go over it again with the makeup wipe. Now, using a different blending brush, I'm going to use a pinky color, and I'm going around the black color we just created. And don't worry, this one again we will fix with the makeup wipe. And then also going under your eyes, below the black color. Okay, now we're going to use the same technique again, the makeup wipe. And we're going to leave a little bit space for our last color, which is orange. And lastly, taking a orange color and placing that on top of the pink color. Dragging it down. And then going over all the colors again, starting with the dark blue, then the turquoise, then the black, then the pink, and the orange, just to intensify the colors because they faded away. Okay, now that we went over all the colors, I'm going to use a blue eyeliner. Okay, now I'm going to use my lashes. Lilly lashes in style Miami. Okay, I placed my lashes and now I'm going to put some glitter, silver glitter on the turquoise color on our lids, just to give it a little bit more sparkle. Okay, now we are ready for blush. And then using a bigger brush for bronzer. And also under your jawline. And then using your beauty blender to blend it out a bit. And then using a lip liner, Stripdown by MAC. And then using the Urban Decay lipstick in the color Rush. And then on top of that, using Urban Decay Stark Naked. Using some highlighter, Strobe Gold by MAC. And that's the look. Alright guys, this is the final look and I'm very happy with it, how it turned out. And yeah, if you want to see more looks, then subscribe to my channel, comment and like below, and then I will be very happy. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye!